You can see it's pretty simple to turn off and on with the switch of the dial right here. It twists to make it more bright, and then back to dim it and turn it back off. There's also a few dials right here. If you twist this one, it will allow you to adjust this head up and down. And if you twist this one right here, you can actually disconnect this from the pole. We have multiple knobs like this one down here and this one down here to raise and lower the bar as well. And at the bottom, we have one more knob right here that we can loosen and tighten in order to adjust the tripod legs down here. So I'm lighting myself right now with just this ring light right here. You can see the difference when I get close like this and how I get back like this. I love this ring light. I've had it for over 3 years. I've traveled with it across the globe. I've packed it in hard case suitcases and traveled with it in luggage like that. And I've used it all over the place, and it's always made really great videos for me. So it's really how I stepped my game up, and I would recommend it to anybody who's trying to step up their video game as well.